Alright, so I've got this blown trap up here at my summer cottage. It clearly froze and blew. So I've been putting this off. Somebody had taped it and it was working more or less, but now it's stopped, so I took the tape off. I've got one of these. It's a Fernco. It's designed for vacation homes, I guess. So it's rubber, so when it freezes, it'll just expand. So I don't have to put antifreeze in this trap to winterize the house, which is nice. So these gaskets are totally destroyed as well. So I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm thinking I will just cut this here. I think this part is loose, and so that will just these will just attach, and then hopefully that works. To cut it, I've got this reciprocating saw, and this thing is called this blade is called Speed for Heavy Metal, which I guess probably this galvanized steel is probably a heavy metal. So I don't know if this will work, but I do not want to have to cut this by hand. So actually I have no idea how this will fit in there. So I might not be able to get at it with this blade, right? Maybe, if it squeezes right in there. So I'm just gonna mark it and just try this out, see if I can do this. All right. Jesus, this is not so easy to do. Just going really quickly through there. So long as I can keep the angle right, that'd be awesome. I guess I could cut through both of them at the same time. It wouldn't be so bad. Right. I guess a hacksaw probably wouldn't have been so bad. This is going through like butter. Damn it, I don't know what to do. Okay, that didn't help at all. I thought that would help getting that out of the way. But now it's just gonna pinch the saw if I put the saw there. Does that open this space up? God damn it. I guess it didn't make things worse, but it's really tight here. I can't get the saw anywhere near. If I turn this around. Now I can get in this space here, I think. Look at that. Gross. So this has got like a lip of like some sort of plumber's cement or something. I have no idea. I'm just guessing. And so I'm gonna need to take that off. I don't know. I probably should paint that cut edge since that's not protected by the zinc. So those are things I should do, but for now, let's just see how it fits. So if I can just temporarily attach this, then I can use the sink, and then I have to remove it anyways to put new gaskets. I'm not exactly sure how you do that, because this just kind of turns freely here. So I need to, I guess, hold something against something else here. Maybe, I don't know. I'll figure that out next. But for now, I'll at least have a working sink. Let me find a screwdriver and get this connected. All right, moment of truth. So I know it's going to leak at least a little bit just because of that gasket's gone, but got the bucket under here just in case. Awesome! Alright. That was an easy fix. That took like no time. I've been putting that off for a while. And now, in the winter, I won't have to put antifreeze that will then just drain onto our property, polluting it. So that's a big plus. That's great. I'm really happy. Still going. Also, you just take a moment to appreciate the design of this sink. The overflow is the soap tray. When you have your fingernail brush or this is sanitizer. But you can, yeah, this is a great sink. I've never seen another one like it. And there's no leak still. All right. Take care. Bye.